Hello, Miss Prisbilla here with a quick video on the Pythagorean theorem and what it means to be a Pythagorean triple. So, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, otherwise known as leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. In a drawing of a right triangle, we have the right angle with the hypotenuse directly across from the right angle. That is always going to be the case for the hypotenuse. The other two sides are the legs, and it does not matter what you label as A or B as long as they are labeled as either one of the legs. So it doesn't matter what order. I could label A just the same as B and B just the same as A. But the hypotenuse, the C, always has to be directly across from the right angle. And Pythagorean theorem only works with right triangles. So, to show you an example of the Pythagorean theorem, I am going to use the numbers 3, 4, 5. Those are numbers that work into the Pythagorean theorem. They are also called Pythagorean triples. So Pythagorean triples are numbers that work in the Pythagorean theorem. So we have 3, 4, 5, 3 and 4 being the two legs. It doesn't matter what order. I could have written this just the same as 4 squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. But the 5 does have to be in the place of the C, which is the hypotenuse. So now, to check to make sure this works, we're going to compute 3 squared, which is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. So we have 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. 25 equals 25, so it does check. 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean, or is a Pythagorean triple. It works into the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or otherwise known as leg squared plus leg squared equals a hypotenuse squared.